Morning guys, so one of the jobs we're going to be doing this week now is restoring a Herbie Beetle that we took as a Part X, and this is just going to be a car that's for sale. Now it's been grubby, it's dirty, it's been sat for 2 years, and this is video really just to kind of show you how you can actually restore and improve a vehicle that has been abused or not been looked after. It's needed a bit of work, like the radiator's failed on it, issue with the starter, the actual mechanism for the coils where the actual column wouldn't work. So it's had quite a lot of work done with us here by guys that we know to get this on the road. We bought it kind of unaware of it, took it as a Part X as a favour, and to be fair it needed quite a lot of work and there were a lot of hidden things. But mechanically it's fine, it's just been MOT'd, it's got 12 months on it, and this video is really just to kind of show you how we're going to restore it now. So I'm going to show you on the camera how bad this is, because it is disgusting. It's literally like a greenhouse on the car. The paint has oxidised and it's lost all its colour. Just to touch it, I'm getting dirty fingertips. It's vile, same as the inside. So what we're going to do is do a video today on the outside, spend a day basically cleansing the whole paint, getting all the dirt, the grime, the mould and everything else out of it, and then actually by hand we're going to restore the paint on this one. We're not even going to use a buffer, we're just going to do it by hand to restore the finish and get the actual gloss back, because it looks matte at the minute. And then we're going to probably change the stickers on it and get some new 53 stickers on it and just kind of spruce it up a little bit, maybe do a little bit of touch up here and there at the same time. So here's a video of what it looks like now, and then we'll get one of what it looks like when we've done it. So we've currently spent pretty much a day on this car. We haven't got a town on it. It is only a car that we're going to use to sell. It's not something we're really using as a demo, and it's certainly not something we're doing as a project. It was just a car we took as a Part X. What had happened with the car more than anything, it had mechanical problems and some other issues, but it had oxidised. So what we've basically done today is we've actually done this by hand, and we've restored the paint to get the gloss back, got rid of the oxidisation, which basically makes it like a satin or a matte finish, and it's actually rough to the touch, and if you do rub your fingers on it you get like a white powder when it oxidises. So we've gone through the full car, we've gone over the graphics, we've restored the headlights, cleaned the wheels with a bit of our acid product, which is wider stance, which is it's still safe but it's got a bit of acid to it because the work like tarnish. Given the interior a bit of a going over again, nothing massive. If someone comes to buy the car we might go over it again for them, but it might get demoed or people might want to drive it in between, so we're not going to go to town. But you know what, the car's really come up really clean, and we've done this in actually less than a day, and this is just to show people if they have got a car that they kind of want to bring back to life, it's something we can do quite easily, or we can sell you products to do that as well. So I'm going to give you a quick montage now of what it actually looks like and what it did before. And you know what, it looks pretty impressive, and we're going to be selling this for like 1,200 quid. 12 months MOT, new radiator, new brake pads, loads of other various brand new parts. We've had to done it, have the sills actually welded on it, so there's no issues there. It's got leather interior, it's got heated seats. It's pretty cool car, to 1,200 quid with a 12 months ticket on it. So, but